Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So today I have the Traxxas toolkit. I was looking for something that would go in my travel kind of toolbox. So I thought this little kit might be good. So I'm going to open it up and we'll see what's inside. So the outside feels pretty durable. It's kind of like a canvas kind of cover. Not too shabby. Traxxas logo, of course. And inside, well, here are all the tools. So what do you get? So there's a bunch of nut drivers, 4mm. All the way up through 8mm, and you have your hex drivers, and your hex driver sizes go from 1.5 all the way up to 4.0, which I've never actually used a 4.0, but you got it. There's a wrench in here. This actually slid. It was hiding up here, but I guess that's what's supposed to go in the center here, so you can always keep a wrench on you. And to complete the kit, you have some Phillips head, and you got some flathead. Now the actual shaft of the driver slides all the way in to the handle. Handle feels okay, just a plastic handle, nothing really too outrageous, but it has a little bit of a softer, I guess, feel to it. You can adjust the length, so if you want something, you really got to reach for something, you can pull it out pretty good, pretty far, or if you lift the front, you can slide everything back in, which is tough to do with one hand. So yeah, so everything slides back in, just lift that up and the piece will slide in. But all in all, it doesn't feel bad. I went through a lot of hex drivers. I finally found these MIPs, and these are my go-to at home. I use these all the time. No issues whatsoever with the tips rounding out. All the other tool sets that I bought, Dynamite, a few other ones, the tip rounded out. These MIPs, these have been great. So I mentioned that because we'll see how this holds up. We'll see how these tips last. I don't really plan on using this to assemble complete kits or anything. Like I said, more so for the field. But for what I want, I think this is perfect. So only time will tell. But for about, what, 40 bucks I think it was? We'll see. I guess it wasn't too bad. So we'll see how things hold up. But if you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I will see you all soon. Take care for now.